It's a bit rough. Yeah. This throttle, it's got to go. Well, actually it's the bars, I can't really control the brake that well. Tricky. It's this bit. That's good. Yeah, I'm just not liking this throttle on all this small stuff. It's too twitchy. I feel a little bit out of control. Yeah, the throttle's, oh, yeah. Seems to be okay on the faster stuff. But when you want a bit of control, it's like that. This is probably not the best part to try when you're moaning about the throttle. Positioning of the front brake. Oh, crikey. Oh, bad job. That's a bit of a drop. Bollocks. What am I going to do? Far as I can tell, I've got three options. Slightly static start and make it up there with this twitchy throttle, or I can push it into the stream and go down, or I could try and go up, but that could possibly be messy. I've chosen the more difficult way because I hate giving up. Let's go straight forward, a bit of a static start then, with this twitchy throttle. I'm going to have to, I don't know, give it the pegs. See, it's alright, nothing to worry about. Oh, wrong gear. Enjoyed that little bit. That's this. I'm really going slow today because I'm doing this sort of stuff because I forgot my goggles. Lovely. What are you, little? Try this then. And a little practice run. Stings in the face. What I think I'm saying is I've got to sort these bars out so I can reposition everything. That just makes it so awkward, and I don't think the quarter twist throttle helps. So if I take the bars off, I'll probably put my old throttle back on, and I'm going to change the carb, and I think I'm going to get the 28mm nibby. Yeah, it's the next job on this then. Up one of these banks. Oh yeah. It's very humid today. I think the bike's suffering from that. Stalling a lot. There's some air going through the engine. Just came along here to give the bike a bit of a breather. But obviously I haven't got my goggles. I don't want to go too fast because, well, I don't want something in my eye, that's for sure. Nice little combine out of Vista. If you have a picture next to it. Oh, he's running. Steal it. The plan of action is then I'm going to take the bike home now, get it all cleaned up, look for some bars and a carb, and then hopefully that will sort out my throttle issue and this brake lever issue. Oh, it's funny, a few minutes ago that the combine's over there, thanks to me, because, well, I was just riding along the fields, letting this bike cool down, because obviously I've just been in first and second gear today, and then I saw the combine and I could see it was running. I could hear it because I went past it, but no one was in there. So I looked around, I could see the farmer along in one of the fields. I quickly went and offered him a lift. I thought jokingly he's going to laugh at me and say not a chance, and he said yeah, go on then. So, well, I couldn't refuse then, I had to get him on the back, but he said he felt really safe. It's the farmer trying to head me off, of course he had. But I think he's walking up to pick the combine up. Shall I offer him a lift? Yeah, I reckon. He might want one. Do you want a lift? Yeah.
Yeah, go on then.
Really?
Am I going to burn my leg on that exhaust?
Not if you keep them hanging out. I was only joking. Should we try a wheelie?
Well, you will with my weight on the back.
We'll take it steady, don't you worry. Do you feel safe? Yeah.
We're going to walk in.
Well, I thought you'd laugh it off.
No, I've been looking for one. I keep looking on Facebook.
Oh, for some little
one. Like a real little one.
Yeah, just to rip around. They're handy, throw it in the bush and I'll stop here so it doesn't bump you about.
There you go.
Fair play to him, jumping straight on the back. I should have popped a wheelie, but that's not me. I don't want him to fall off and then, well, I feel guilty. He won't be able to feed his family or something. Anyway, that's it for me today. Not far now, and I'll be back home. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed this upload. MOTO Machines out.